Right guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another video. In this one I'll just be doing an unboxing and a first look on a new carbon fibre disc wheel set. So let's go ahead, let's take a look. So here we have the wheel set as they come in the box. So you can see there, SCOM. These are the Ultra wheels, carbon fibre. That's how they arrive in the box. So Ultra, these are the 4967. So 49 depth front, 67 rear, black edition disc wheel set. So that's the actual packaging. Obviously this comes within a standard cardboard box as well. This is how they look when you get them out of that cardboard box. So you've got the carry handle on the top there. So we'll get these opened up and take a look. So we just unfold the box. So it's a very good quality box, this is, as you would expect. It's definitely very tough packaging, which you would want on a wheel set. So as you can see, you've got foam in here as well, protecting the wheels. Also got a bag there. Take a look in there. So you've got your rim tape that you need to put on, and the valves for the front and rear. So we've got the front wheel there. There we have the rear wheel. So here we have the front wheel. You see carbon fibre. Now the rim width on this particular wheel, this is a 49, as you can see, depth wheel. So the rim width on this is 21 internal and 28 external width on here. As you can see, got to put the rim tape on. Comes without the tape. So you've got carbon fibre spokes and aluminium nipples on there. There's a logo, so you can have that logo in different colours. These are just in the black. They're available in silver as well, and gold on the logos on there. So logos not too in your face, slapped all over it, which is nice. Small logos like that. So on the with the spokes, these are carbon, so bladed spokes. They're about 3 grams a spoke. And if you see the hub on these, this is the disc side, as you can see, centre lock disc rotor through axle, 12mm through axles. You can see the hub flange on this side is a lot bigger on the disc side than it is on the opposite side. See the logo there on the actual hub as well, but you spin that round, you see the difference in the size from this side to that side. Now the spokes on the non-disc side, got 7 spokes on here, and then on the disc side where your rotor is going to go, you've got 14 spokes on here. So what we'll do, we'll have a look at the bearings as well, just see what they are. as well in the front. Just check those and see what size they are. So we have the axle removed, so you've got double sealed end cap there, same on that one. So the bearings themselves, they've got enduro bearings in there, so they're 15267 bearings, ABEC 5 bearings are, so they're chromium steel ball bearings in those, grade 5 steel cages, and they use mobile XHP 222 grease in them as well in these. So it's the same on the disc side and the non-disc side, same bearing for both. So here we have the rear wheel. This is a 67 depth Ultra, as you can see there. So again, branding on it is like that. So on the rear wheel, we've got on the drive side where the free hub is, we've got 16 spokes on this side, and then on the disc side we've got 8 spokes. So you can see the diameter there of the flange on the free hub side on the wheel. So this uses the same spokes as the front, carbon spokes, bladed spokes with the aluminium nipples on there. Sounds like it's going to be a noisy free hub as well. Just from doing that, it's noisy. I notice on the free hub body here it doesn't have a anti-bite guard on there like some free hubs do, but you'll still get teeth marks in it even with an anti-bite guard, so it's not a big issue. So again, I'll take the end caps off and we'll have a look, see what bearings it uses, and we'll look at the free hub engagement as well on this. So we've removed the free hub. As you can see, this is a Shimano free hub. Obviously they come with you can get them with the Campag or the XDR SRAM as well on the free hub body. 6 pull engagement there on the back, spring loaded pulls on there. So you've got your ring ratchet, like ring up inside there. Now the bearings, these are Enduro bearings, 61902 bearings in here. So decent sized bearings, in the 2 in the free hub and the same size bearings either side in the rear hub as well. So you've got good decent sized bearings in there, not too small. This is a 6 degree engagement on the free hub as well. So the rims on these are the same width as the front, so 28, 21 on here. Obviously these are rim tape putting on the tubeless tape, so these are clinchers, tubeless when they put the tape on. So again, the end cap is double seal on the end cap either side, and to remove them it's just a couple of 17mm spanners, again to remove, hold one side, undo the other side, and then to get the axle right off, all you do is just a flap there in the end, cut out slot, so you just hold that side and then undo this side if you wanted to get the axle completely out. So there's the wheel side by side, just so you can see the difference in the rim depth. Like I said, 49 on the front, 67 on the back wheel. So these have the black decals on them, but you can order them with silver or gold decals as well if you don't like the black. So they are available in different rim depths as well. So this is sort of the mid-range one. You can get 67 on the front and 67 on the rear, so that'll be the same depth as that one there on both. And you can get them, this is a 49 this one, but you can get them 45, so 45 depth on the front and 45 on the rear as well. So they're all disc fitment clinchers, so you can run them shallower rim depths if you prefer a lighter wheel and you do some more climbing. If that's your thing, then you can get them, like I say, 45. What I'll do is I will weigh these wheels as well, this particular set, just see what they come out at. But first of all, what I'll do is I'll put the rim tape, the tubeless tape on them, and then I'll weigh them after they got the tape on them. So there we have the rim tape that they come with. Obviously what you're going to do is properly clean the surface before trying to stick this tape on, and make sure you do it in a warm environment as well, so the tape's got best chance of sticking on there properly. I always run round them afterwards just to warm the tape up slightly with like a hairdryer if you got one, just to make sure the tape is stuck on there properly. Just makes it warmer, makes it easier to apply in the warmer conditions as well. And then you've got the two valves there, so one for the rear, one for the front, whichever wheels you've got, depths come with appropriate valves. And then you've got a couple of little stickers there with a hole in the centre that you can put over the valve hole on the outside just to protect it. So here we have the rear wheel with the rim tape fitted, so we'll just get that on and take a look, see what it comes out at. So that's 880 grams for the rear wheel, that's the 67. So here we have the front wheel with tape fitted. So we'll get this on and have a look. That's 680 grams for the front wheel, so that's the 49mm depth. So I've got another disc rear wheel here just to show you the size of the hub flange on the back, on the rear, on the free hub side, on the drive side. And you can see the size of the hub there. There's a comparison. So as you can see, way bigger. So another thing I'll just quickly show is, you can see where the nipples on this one coming out of the rim there, just there like that. So I'll compare that just so you can see the difference. So they're a lot shallower in the rim. So we're fitting the tubeless valves now in there, because we're going to run these tubeless. So we're fitting the valves that come with the wheels. See, you can use an 11mm spanner there on that. It's got two flats on it there to tighten that down, so you get a better seal on it. You can get that up with a spanner. So there we have the wheels fitted to the bike. So I thought I'd just give you a quick look at them, just so you can see what they actually look like when they're fitted in this size. That's the 4967. So the tyres on these are set up tubeless. So that's a 25mm tyre on the wheel, so they're perfect for that, or even a 28. And the same on the front, it's a 25mm on the front. So the tyres were easy to get on to the rims, no problem with fitting the tyres. So the warranty on these wheels, on the SCOM wheels, is lifelong on the rims, the spokes and the hubs, and on the consumable parts it's a year warranty on those. So what I'll do is there'll be a link down in the description below the video if you would like to purchase a set of them, and also there'll be a discount code for 5% off as well in the description box below if you're interested in them. So you can go ahead and check out the website down there for more details on them. So I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, remember to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more cycle related content. Till next one, ride safe and I'll see you then.